to Scripting Languages by Ian Jeffrey Alexander. In this video, we'll explore what scripting languages are, their key characteristics, common uses, popular examples, strengths, and trade-offs, and how they fit into the software stack. So, what exactly is a scripting language? A scripting language is a high-level programming language designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. Unlike compiled languages, scripts are usually interpreted at runtime rather than compiled ahead of time. Let's look at the key characteristics of scripting languages. First, they are interpreted, meaning code is executed line by an interpreter such as Python, CPython, or JavaScript's V8 engine. Second, they are high-level languages, providing powerful abstractions like automatic memory management and rich standard libraries. Third, they typically use dynamic typing, where variables can hold any type and types are checked at runtime rather than compile time. Fourth, they offer ease of embedding, often being embedded into host applications like Lua in game engines or JavaScript in web browsers. Finally, they support rapid development, making them ideal for quick prototyping, automation, and what we call glue code. Scripting languages have many common uses in the programming world. They're excellent for automation and scripting tasks such as file manipulation, batch processing, and system administration. Languages like Bash, PowerShell, and Python excel here. They're widely used in web development, with JavaScript for client-side scripting and languages like PHP, Ruby, and Python for server-side scripting. They're great for embedding and extensibility, adding scripting interfaces to applications. Lua and TCL are common choices for this purpose, and they're powerful tools for data analysis and scientific computing, with Python, R, and MATLAB being popular options. Let's explore some popular scripting languages. JavaScript runs in browsers and on servers with Node.js. Python is a general-purpose language with a huge ecosystem spanning web frameworks, data science tools, and automation capabilities. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and the Rails web framework. PHP is widely used for server-side web development. Bash, ZSH, and PowerShell are shell scripting languages for Unix, Linux, and Windows environments. And Lua is a lightweight language designed to be embedded in games and applications. Now, let's discuss the strengths and trade-offs of scripting languages. In terms of strengths, scripting languages are very productive for writing small to medium programs. They offer interactive REPLs or read-eval-print loops, like the Python shell, which help with rapid prototyping. They also come with large standard libraries and package ecosystems. However, there are trade-offs. Scripting languages tend to have slower execution than compiled languages like C, C++, or Java. Their dynamic typing can lead to runtime type errors that might have been caught at compile time in other languages. And they provide less control over low-level details such as memory management and hardware interactions. Let's see how scripting fits into the software stack. Scripting languages often serve as glue code, orchestrating and connecting components written in other languages. They're excellent for rapid prototyping, allowing developers to build and test features quickly before rewriting performance-critical parts in a compiled language if needed. They also enable end-user customization, allowing end users to extend applications via scripts, such as macros and editors. Let's see how to get started with scripting languages. First, choose an interpreter. For example, you might install Python or Node.js. Second, write a simple script, like the classic Hello World example. Third, run your script using the appropriate command. And fourth, explore the interactive REPL environment, where you can execute code line by line and see immediate results. Here are your next steps for learning scripting languages. Learn the language's syntax, including variables, control flow, functions, and objects. Explore its standard library, which includes tools for file I/O, networking, and regular expressions. Build small automation scripts or simple web servers to practice your skills. And read community tutorials and best practices to deepen your understanding. This concludes our introduction to scripting languages by Ian Jeffrey Alexander. Thank you for watching, and happy scripting!